pallet here. As you can see, it's missing some slats. Some pallets don't have as many slats as others. Okay, to make my circles or the part of the snowman that's what I'm going to cut out, I cut me a piece of cardboard, roughly 2 inches wide. It doesn't really matter about that. About 18 inches long, maybe a little bit over. But what I done is made me a nail hole to put a nail in it. We're going to mark it here, and I went ahead and done this so I know how big mine is going to be. From the nail hole to the hole, it's 5.5 inches for the top. For the middle, it's roughly 9.5 inches, and then for the bottom, it's 15.5. Get this a little bit closer up and make us a marker. Right here, but it's roughly 9.5 inches from the hole. You might have to adjust yours, but this works out pretty good for mine. Stick my marker in there. I done marked mine, so take you a punch or something to mark it. And it's roughly 15.5 inches width. So put a marker in here. We'll go up to here. Messed up my line a little bit, but we're going to be painting over it anyway. Okay. Okay. Flip our snowman over. I'm going to take my staple gun, put a staple in them. Okay. That's pretty good. We'll get some Titebond glue. This is water resistant. Okay, let's let that dry and see what it looks like. See if we need to add any more. This is some of the leftover pieces. I made 2 pieces here the same, just pointed on the ends. line them up to fit down here at the bottom. So when this is stuck in the ground, it has this ledge holding it and keep it from tilting over, and this edge. So just line these up with the bottom down here. Get you some screws or nails long enough to go all the way through. This is my version of the snowman out of pallet wood. Thank you for watching.